Hey teens, it's Miss Amelia at the Polk County Public Libraries, and today we are going to make edible slime jello. So I don't know if you're going to want to eat this or not, but technically you can. And today we are going to be making our jello out of strawberries, so it's going to smell nice and like summer when we're finished. So my ingredients that I have here are 1 pack of jello, and I chose strawberry, but you can choose any type that you want. I read online that if you use the sugar-free jello, it won't stain your hands as badly when you're playing with it. I couldn't find the sugar-free kind of jello at the store, so today we're just gonna see how red my hands end up being dyed. That way you have an idea when you make this at home. So we're gonna be using 1 box of jello. We're gonna be using a cup of cornstarch. So I've got my cornstarch and a measuring cup, that's 1 cup. I also have, I'm not going to pick it up, but I have half a cup of warm water right here that we're going to mix in with it in just a minute, a bowl and a mixing spoon. So here we go. We're going to make jello slime. So dumping all of my jello mix into the bowl. It already smells like strawberries. Kind of smells like cotton candy actually. All right, so got that. I'm gonna set that over to the side. And then I need a cup of cornstarch. And we're actually going to stir these dry ingredients together before we add the water. That way they're evenly mixed. I'm gonna take it out of my box. All right. Okay, so we've got a cup of cornstarch. I'm going to pour it in there. And I've got a little bit that's left at the bottom of my mixing cup. So I'm going to get that out of my hands. There we go. Okay, so I've got my 2 dry ingredients in here and I'm mixing it together. And it's getting all over the place. So you want to make sure when you're doing this, you either do it outside or you do it where there's a tablecloth or over a sink. That way you won't get your slime jello on anything. Okay, so I've got my strawberry, jello, and my cornstarch mixed together. And now I'm gonna start adding in my water. So Miss Jen is gonna help me with this. She's gonna start pouring in my water while I'm stirring. So this is a great activity to do with a friend. That way you can both use the jello slime. So the person pouring the water is just pouring it fast enough so that you can keep mixing it in. Sorry. See, we're already making a mess. All right. And it looks so cool when you're done. So we're still stirring it. We're gonna use the whole half a cup of water. And it does get pretty hard to stir. So
that's when you gotta use your hands.
Yep. We're gonna use our hands. So here we go. All right. Ew! Oh, this is so gross, guys. All right, so I'm mixing this together. Ugh. Oh my goodness, but it smells good, doesn't it, Miss Jen?
Oh yeah.
It smells really good.
It smells like strawberries.
Yeah. This kind of reminds me of the oobleck science experiment, but as you keep mixing in the water with the jello, you'll get the slime and the water will eventually get out of it, which is nice. So I've got some water that's left down in my bowl, but as you keep playing with it, my hands aren't too red, which is nice. But as you keep playing with it, it's just kind of like goopy, like slime. Ew! But it smells so good. So if I was gonna play with slime this summer, this is the recipe that I would use. And if you try this out at home, try using a different flavor other than strawberry and send us a picture to Miss Jen's email. I'm going to put it at the end of this video so we can see how your slime jello turned out. Have fun, guys.